Before you watch this video, make sure you have downloaded and opened the R script How to Open a Data File in R. Notice that when I open this script, R gives me a message that there is a package that is required but not installed. I will choose the option Install since we will use the package in the script. The easiest way to import data into R is to have the data available as a CSV file. This is short for comma separated values file. If we have the data in Excel format, we can save it as a CSV file by opening the data into Excel and then go to File, Save, Save As, and choosing the Dropbox CSV. For this class, I will provide all the files as CSV files, so you do not have to worry about saving a file as a CSV file. Once we have the data into a CSV file, we can use the read CSV function in order to read the data into R. R assumes that the first row of a CSV file will have the variable names included. Data is stored in R in what is known as a data frame. A data frame is an object that has rows and columns. The rows are the observations and the columns are the variable names. Before we can read in the data, we have to make sure that we set the working directory in R to wherever we save the data. There are two ways to change the working directory. We can use the function setwd or we can use the menu. I will use the second option. Go to Session, Set Working Directory, and then choose Directory. Select the path where you save the data and then click Open. Notice that in the output window, a change in the current working directory. Now we are ready to load the data by running the read CSV function. We save the data into R in a data frame called food_data. You can choose whatever name you want for the data frame. Once the data is loaded into R, we can see some changes in the environment window. Also, if we wish to look at the data, all we have to do is click on the table icon next to the data and the dataset opens in the script window. Once the dataset is loaded, we want to obtain some summary statistics for some of the variables in our dataset. In order to select a particular variable from a dataset, we use the data frame name and we put the $sign in front of the variable name. For example, food_data $food expenditures tells R to select the food expenditure variable from the food data frame. The function mean in R provides the sample mean. The function SD provides the sample standard deviation. If we wish to obtain additional summary statistics, we can use the function summary, either on a particular variable or on the entire data frame. Notice that the function summary does not provide the standard deviation. An alternative to the summary function is the function describe. This function is available under the package Psych. We must first download this package from the internet and then load it into R before using the function describe. R will automatically detect if the package is not installed, and will prompt us if we want to install it. In fact, we went over this at the beginning of this presentation. Now, if we run the describe function, we can obtain additional summary statistics. This concludes our presentation on loading data into R. Next, we will go over the main functions used for the simple linear regression model.